Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you a simple trick inside TikTok settings that can help you get more followers easily. If your TikTok followers aren't growing fast enough, this video is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok app and go to your profile, and then just tap on three lines icon on the top right corner like this, and then just tap on settings and privacy. A lot of people ignore these settings, but adjusting a few of them can really help your reach. And then just tap on privacy. And then on the private account options, just make sure to turn that off. If your private account option is turned on, just switch it off. With this way, more people can find and follow you easily. And then next, just go back to the main settings, and then just scroll down until you find free app space, this one. Just tap on it, and then just hit clear on both options to remove cache and temporary files. Just tap on clear like this. It will help TikTok run smoother and improve video upload performance. Next, just go back again, and next just scroll down and tap on report a problem, and then in the search bar just tap on free likes followers. And then on the first result, just tap on it. And then just tap on yes. Go back again, and then on the fifth one, this one, just tap on it, and then just tap no. This will refresh your account engagement system and help boost your visibility. And then next step, just pause your video at the right time, and to find your best time, just open TikTok Studio, and then go to analytics, and then tap on viewer stats. Scroll down until you find most active times, and then just check what time your audience is most online. For example, in my account, most viewers are active between 6 a.m. until 7 a.m. So that's the best time for me to upload. So and then just check your own data and post accordingly. And okay, maybe that's it. Just follow this step and your followers will start increasing fast. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.